The FERIETELF T25 Mini Drone is designed with beginners in mind, offering multiple remote control methods and one-key operating functions that can be adapted to various situations. Equipped with a built-in 1080p HD camera that has a 90 degrees adjustable angle, the drone offers real-time first-person view on the app, making it easy to capture high-quality footage. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing up to 10 minutes of flight time in normal flight mode, and can be easily replaced by simply plugging and unplugging. The drone features an intelligent alert system that signals when the battery of the transmitter or drone is low and has a maximum remote control distance of 80 meters. It boasts a 360 degrees flip function and 3 flight speed modes, making it an exciting toy for both children and beginners. Despite its advanced features, the mini drone maintains a classic folding design for easy portability, making it an excellent gift for boys and girls.